In 2021, India's startup ecosystem was on fire. Money was cheap, venture capital was pouring in. Investors were chasing growth at any cost. And in a single year, 39 Indian startups became unicorns. Companies valued at more than $1 billion. Names like CRED, Groww, Meesho, BharatPe, UpGrad, Cult.fit and PharmEasy dominated headlines. It felt like India had entered a new era of entrepreneurship. But 5 years later, the picture looks very different. Some have gone public, some are preparing for IPOs, while some are still burning cash, and a few have seen their valuation collapse. Let's start with the success stories. According to a comprehensive report compiled by Apurva Mittal using Traction, Economic Times and other publicly available sources, Groww has emerged as one of the biggest winners from the 2021 batch. The brokerage platform listed last year and is currently trading nearly 75% above its listing price. Meesho also made it to the stock market in December 2025. The company built a strong presence in smaller towns through its zero-commission model and remains one of India's largest commerce players. Digital insurer Digit, which listed in 2024, continues to trade above its listing price, making it another successful public market story. And then there's CRED. The credit card rewards platform recently raised a massive $900 million investment from Meta at a valuation of around $4.5 billion. Founder Kunal Shah is also now the global CEO of WhatsApp. A large number of unicorns are now trying to make the jump from private markets to public markets. Insurance platform ACKO is preparing for an IPO despite reporting FY25 losses of over 424 crore rupees. Fitness company Cult is also working towards a listing while continuing to streamline operations. Contract manufacturer Zwork has already filed draft IPO papers, even though it's reported losses of nearly 371 crore rupees in FY25. Used car marketplace Spinny has reportedly hired banks for a public issue, while UpGrad is restructuring its education business and preparing for its next phase of growth. The IPO pipeline is clearly crowded. Urban Company, which listed in 2025, reported a staggering 57-fold jump in net losses as it expanded aggressively into the domestic help segment. BharatPe has spent much of the last few years dealing with controversies and governance issues. None of its 3 founders remain with the company today. Online education platform Eruditus now saw losses double in FY25 as it continued expanding internationally. Rebel Foods shut down its quick commerce experiment and is now focusing on preparing for a public listing. Meanwhile, brand aggregator BrandMe and the Good Glam Group have faced significant challenges amid slowing growth and a tougher funding environment. In fact, Good Glam's restructuring efforts reportedly failed, forcing lenders to push for a brand-by-brand sale. Perhaps the most dramatic example is PharmEasy. API Holdings, that is PharmEasy's parent company, reportedly saw its valuation plunge nearly 90% from its peak valuation during the startup boom. Several founders have exited the company, making it one of the clearest examples of how quickly startup fortunes can change. Messaging platform Gupshup has also faced pressure, with investors marking down the value of their holdings significantly. These cases highlight a harsh reality. $1 billion valuation is not permanent. But not every company under pressure has only struggled. Slice reinvented itself after merging with Northeast Small Finance Bank. The company swung from a loss of over 216 crore rupees in FY25 to a profit of nearly 48 crore rupees in FY26 and is now looking to raise fresh capital. Vedantu has also managed to reduce losses while growing revenue as it expands its offline presence. These companies show that survival in the post-boom era often requires reinvention. And some have discovered that becoming a unicorn is much easier than staying one. The startup boom of 2021 created some of India's most important technology companies. But the real test began after the celebrations ended. And that test is still underway. So which unicorn from the class of 2021 do you think has performed best over the last 5 years? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this explainer, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.